নমস্কাৰ সকলোলৈকে পুনৰবাৰ স্বাগতম জনালোঁ। আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ লৈছোঁ অসম ৰাজ্যিক গ্ৰামীণ জীৱিকা অভিযানৰ অধীনত ব্লক কোঅৰ্ডিনেটৰৰ যি এক্সাম হৈছিলে সেই ব্লক কোঅৰ্ডিনেটৰৰ এক্সামৰ কুৱেশ্যনসমূহ আনচাৰসহ আজি ভিডিঅ'টোৰ জৰিয়তে আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ লৈছোঁ। যদি আপোনালোকে ব্লক কোঅৰ্ডিনেটৰৰ এক্সাম দিছিলে তেতিয়াহ'লে আনচাৰসমূহ আপোনালোকে মিলাই চাব পাৰে। প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যন আছিল এ ষ্টিট ইন টাইম ছেভছ 9। ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হ'ল বি টেকিং প্ৰমোট একশ্যন প্ৰিভেণ্টছ বিগাৰ প্ৰব্লেম। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন আছিল একশ্যন স্পীক লাউডাৰ দেন ৱৰ্ডছ। ইয়াৰ আনচাৰ হ'ল চি হোৱাট পিপুল ডু ইজ মোৰ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট দেন হোৱাট দে চে। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন লেট দ্য কেট আউট অফ দ্য বেগ। আনচাৰ হ'ল বি টু ৰিভিল এ চিক্ৰেট এক্সিডেণ্টলি। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন 4 বাৰ্নিং দ্য মিডনাইট অইল। আনচাৰ বি ৱৰ্কিং লেট এট নাইট। কুৱেশ্যন 5 হিট দ্য চেক। ইয়াৰ আনচাৰ হ'ল বি টু গ' টু বেড অৰ শ্লিপ। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন চি ইজ লুকিং ফৰৱাৰ্ড টু মিট ইউ চুন। আনচাৰ হ'ল এ লুকিং ফৰৱাৰ্ড টু মিটিং। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নাইডাৰ অফ দ্য ষ্টুডেণ্ট হেভ কমপ্লিটেড দেয়াৰ এছাইনমেণ্টছ। আনচাৰ চি হেজ কমপ্লিটেড। Question 8 hardly I reached home when it started to rain. Your answer হ'ল C hardly had I reached home. Next question he is capable of solving the problem quickly. Your answer হ'ল no arrow মানে D. Next আহিলে 10 everybody have submitted their homework on time. Your answer হ'ল everybody has অৰ্থাৎ answer C. Next আহিলে a person who loves books is called bibliophile. Next, a place where coins are made is called answer B mint. Next, a person who writes a dictionary is called answer B lexicographer. A disease that spreads quickly in a smaller area among many people called epidemic. Answer C. A speech that praises someone who has died is called answer D eulogy. 16 the manager asks the staff to be more diligent in their work. Your answer হ'ল hardworking. Answer 17 the professor was known for his meticulous grading of papers. Your answer B true. Next question her frivolous behavior annoyed the serious committee members. Your answer A silly. Next question his explanation was ambiguous and confused everyone. Your answer হ'ল vague. C. Next question she gave a timid response to the question. Your answer হ'ল shy. Next question which of the following districts does not share a border with Nagaon? Your answer A Udalguri. Next question during which dynasty was the Madan Kamdev temple complex built? Your answer হ'ল Pala dynasty. Next which Koch king is credited with rebuilding the Kamakhya temple? Answer হ'ল A Narayan. Next question important annual festival celebrated by the Tiwa tribe. Your answer হ'ল Sagora Misawa. Next the first commercial tea garden in Assam is generally associated with Moniram Dewan. Next question which Mughal emperor shifted capital to Delhi and commissioned Red Fort? Your answer হ'ল Shah Jahan. Next question who built the famous Taragarh fort in Ajmer? Answer Ajyapal Chauhan. Next question the famous war fought by Ashoka before transformation. Battle of Kalinga. Next question the design of Sun temple at Konark represent a colossal uttar hol chariot. Next question the Indian National Army was formed in which country? Answer D Singapore. Next question which missile did India successfully test twice in 48 hours in July 2025? Answer D Praloya. Next question outcome for INC in the 2025 Delhi Assembly election? Answer C did not win any seats. Next question current Vice President of the USA as of August 2025? Answer C. J.D. Vance. Next question, which is not a USA stock market index? Answer A. FTSE. Next question, Indian satellite launched with NASA in August 2025 for Earth observation. Answer C. NISAR. Next, capital of Finland. Answer D. Helsinki. Next question, which EU country does not use euro? Answer B. Poland. Next question, which country joined OPEC Plus in February 2025? Brazil. Next question, which Indian state has the largest lithium reserve? 2025. Answer hol Jammu Kashmir, mane C. Next, which planet's day is longer than its year? Answer B, অর্থাৎ Venus. Next question, first Apple product officially launched in India with an event. Your answer hol A, iPhone 3G. Next question, codename for Italy's new mobile CPUs 2025. Your answer hol C, Lunar Lake. Next question, which is an impact printer? Answer hol dot matrix printer. Next, NFC is best described as. Answer D, contactless. Next question, advantage of optical fiber over copper wires. Your answer hol higher bandwidth and lower attenuation. Next, price increases from 400 rupees to 450% increase. Your uttor hol B, 12.5%. Next question, shopkeeper gives 20% discount and still 10% profit. CP is equal to 100 rupees market price. Your answer hol B, 275 rupees. Next, SP of 10 T-shirts is equal CP of 13. Profit percentage what? Your answer hol C, 30%. Next, milk is to water is equal 5:3 at 4 liters 5:4. Milk is equal what? Your answer hol C, অর্থাৎ 15 liters. Next question, Rahul's age is equal 3 into daughters. After 8 years, Rahul is equal 2 into daughters plus 5 into present age. Answer hol A, 39 years. Equation, which quadratic equation has roots and 3? Your answer hol A, x square minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Next, a train 150 m long runs at 60 km/h. Time to pass the man. Your answer hol 6 seconds. Next question, motorboat goes 48 km downstream in 30 hours, upstream in 4 hours. Speed of current. Your answer hol B, 3 km/h. Next question, 54 area of a rhombus, diagonal 6 cm and 7 cm. Your answer B, 21 cm. Next, 55 area of trapezium with parallel sides 8 cm, 12 cm and height 5 cm. Your answer hol C, 50 cm. Next is a solid cone H is equal 24 cm, R is equal 6 cm, melted into a sphere radius. Your answer hol C, 8 cm. Next, 57 triangle sides is equal 7 cm, 24 cm, 25 cm. Area hol D, 84 cm. Next, A is thrice as efficient as B. A finishes work in 20 days, B alone. Your answer hol C, 60 days. Next, 5 workers 12 days, same work in 8 days, workers. Your answer hol C, 10. Next, a sum of 7,800 in 3 years, 11,232 in 5 years. CI rate. Your answer hol A, 15%. আমি 60টা কুৱেশ্যন ইয়াত আপোনালোকৰ বাবে দিছোঁ. নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন আমি 5ৰ ভিতৰত আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম. আজিলৈ ইমানেই, ধন্যবাদ।